Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my kitchen. I did a video on how I clean my bathroom. I will list that below. But I'm going to use sponges, Fabuloso, and water. So what I'm just going to do is let the water get hot. And I just poured a little Fabuloso in this little bowl or this little container. And I mix a little bit of water in it. So once I start cleaning, like, and wipe the counter, it's going to be sudsy. So it's going to have a little bit of suds on it. That's what I want to do. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and cleaning the counters and the stove top. Now, I use Fabuloso to clean anywhere around my house because it smells great. This green one, I'm sorry, y'all, caught trying to talk, but this green one, it smells really, really good. So once I'm done with that part, I'm just going to clean the bowl out and put some water in it. And then I'm going to go back over the counter to get the sudsy parts off the counter. That's just, I don't know why I do that. I just like to do that. There's no reason really. So then the next thing I'm going to do is take some paper towel and start to dry off around the sink. And then I'm going to go to the fridge and clean that out as well. Alright, so now I'm just going to change sponges again. I don't know why Kai is trying to talk on my voiceover. But I cleaned, well, I changed the sponge again, and then I cleaned the inside of the refrigerator. This time I used more water than Fabuloso because I didn't want like a lot of Fabuloso in my what's it called, refrigerator. So I just continued to clean the refrigerator and then the freezer. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish doing the freezer. Now, it was a lot of ice in this freezer. The ice maker had like overdid it, so I poured a lot, basically all the ice in the sink so it could melt, and then I went ahead and cleaned it out with the Fabuloso. So this is how it looks. That's all the ice that's melting. But this is how it looks once I finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.